Stop getting colds. People get colds easily in fall and winter. Many people cough and have a runny nose. Some people even have a fever. So, it is important to protect yourself. Here are 3 tips. Wash your hands. When you touch things, germs get on your hands. When these germs enter your body, you become sick. So, wash your hands often with soap. This will get rid of germs. Use a humidifier. During fall and winter, the air gets drier. Dry air makes your nose dry. When your nose is dry, it cannot trap germs. A humidifier adds moisture to the air. Then, your nose won't get so dry. Go to sleep. Your immune system protects you from illnesses. When you are tired, this immune system becomes weak. So, remember to sleep for 8 hours each night. Then, your immune system can do its job.